Welcome CNG 132 500. This video is a little late, coming from Wednesday. Had to make a quick run to South Dakota for my mom, but I'm back now. Let's look at this week, starting week 8. Only a few more weeks left in this this course. When you look at week 8 and go into week 8, access management is the key topic for this week. And if we look at it here, we're going to look at providing access through roles, rules. When we look at exclusive roles, we're going to see that some rule management, is privilege of least. I wouldn't say effective. It is the least effect is the least. Well, there's the most restrictive and the least restrictive. There we go. Most restrictive, least restrictive. When we do with user roles and activities, and if we go back here, let's see if I can't get into the chapter real quick. We're going to look at there's 4 commons. Oops, that's 11. We want 12. When we look at access control, let's see if we can, discretionary access control, the least restrictive. Then we go to mandatory, the most restrictive. Then we go in the middle where we have rule-based and role-based, and even we get into attribute-based rules that people can access their files. When we go to mandatory access, we look at people have to have, it's on a need to know basis. Discretionary access, the person that makes it has total control over it. And then we go to attribute based, uses policies that can combine attributes, most flexible model. So here we see, if we were in a Windows Server environment, we would have user groups, organizational units, OU, that people can be in, whether they're, we'll take like myself, an administrator, and then we can say administrator in Front Range Campus Larimer. Then I'd have specific privileges at Larimer Campus computers, but I'd still be in the faculty group there. So once again, it'd be like you'd be in a major group, but then be in a subset group and have those available access controls. What else do we got? I will start grading today, so you should have your grades later on today. I know I got to run around for some hail damage adjustments, but I should be back integrating today. Access control list, ACLs, get used to seeing those. ACLs, they can be done in Windows environments, Linux environments, firewalls. When you go into Amazon Web Services, AWS, you can have access control lists of computers, people, traffic-based access controls. So you really start nailing down on what the device or what the data is going to be accessed by, and start really trying to limit how things are being accessed. Basically. And jumping back to this, I will get your guys' stuff graded today. Once again, probably this afternoon. I got to make some few errand runs this morning. But this is a good kickoff video for this week. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. I'm getting back to you guys as fast as I can. Thanks again.